morning. So it is Sunday. It's about 8 a.m. and the thing is, I have this project in Mexico and I found out that the gate to cross into Mexico is still closed. So I've been here for like 30 minutes just waiting. Fun times at the border with COVID. I'll see you later. The spaces that I was required to organize were 2 bedrooms. So to give some background about my client, what was happening here is the daughters were gone and they did come back and visit now and then, but the spaces, you know, the rooms that they used to have were filled with all their stuff and a bunch of things and memories that really they didn't use anymore. A big part of this project was getting those cabinets and closets painted white. If you can see the before and afters, those were it just made a huge difference. For the desk area, my client's daughters actually used the space to get ready whenever they would visit. So what I did is I turned this office space into a sort of a vanity area. In the drawers there, I made sure to put, you know, their hair products, their beauty products and brushes. And then I did, of course, leave some of the office supplies because you never know, maybe they need it at some point. And then the top part, it was mainly books and I made it into a more defined office supply space. As for the closets, I mainly left, you know what usually belongs in closets, clothes, shoes. For the other room, one thing that I noticed is that this daughter had way more clothes, and that's okay. But what I needed to do was definitely come up with a smart way to make sure all those clothes fit. And so I would say a good portion of them, I hung them on those cute velvety coat hangers, and then the other portion of the clothes I folded. And the key to this is that I use the KonMari method of folding, and this just always saves so much space. Hey y'all, so I finished the project, the 2 closets project, and I am on my way back to the US. So one thing that happened is I ended up having to stay longer here in Mexico because I needed a root canal. So I got that done. It was painful, not fun, but I'm so thankful that the project is finished and I am on my way home. Let me show you what crossing the border from Mexico to the US looks like. See y'all, bye. Well, this has been fun and I will be here back with my next organizing adventures and sharing all about it. I hope y'all have a great day and I'll see you around. Bye. Hey, so I just dropped my glasses. Once I took the pictures, excuse me, and saw the area, I need some water.